I have this monster printer that's about 70 pounds. This was my personal one that I was using, and then it stopped working, and to fix it cost 200. To buy another another printer, it costs 200. So I decided to get a newer printer that does the same thing and better. And I'm gonna take this apart. I know there's some working parts, so I'll let you guys know what the working valuable parts are. But at the end of the video, I'll make the price list based on everything being scrap. And including this, I have another 1, 2, 3, probably another 6 printers. Some that are laser, that are worth, or that were worth thousands of dollars, and some bubble jet crappy plastic printers from Best Buy. And yeah, I'm gonna tear this one down first, and the other ones I'll tear down and tell you what came out of those, but I won't film tearing those down. I'm just gonna film tearing this guy down. So if you open this guy here, I have a nice toner here. These don't have any real chips or anything on them, so no gold or anything like that. There's maybe some metal or whatnot, but not worth tearing them apart or anything, because you'll have a big mess. This is an original toner, so you can collect these, and I know people online pay money for them, as long as they're original. I know this one has at least 60% life left in it, so I can even sell this maybe for 30 bucks on eBay. I've done it before with some other stuff I picked up. As long as it tests and it prints well, you're good to go. So this is about 30 bucks. I'm gonna put this on the side, this toner. So now we have a bunch of plastic, a bunch of rollers, a bunch of everything. I know this guy here, this door, these are quite common for people to want to buy because these hinges usually break. So once these break, this thing kind of hangs and doesn't close well, and you kind of need this if you're gonna print, let's say envelopes or something. You need one of these to work properly. We'll put that on the side. That should be worth maybe 20 bucks or so. So now another valuable piece. Another valuable piece here is all this stuff here, which is the motherboard. There's even a hard drive in here. The hard drive's probably not worth much, just because it's old, so it doesn't have much value. The motherboard, you should be able to sell, or I should be able to sell that for 50. If not, it's a peripheral board, and you'll get about more or less a buck. You'll get more or less $1.50 for it.